Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over how to convert the spawn, the game object spawn that we have here, to a PoolManager spawn. First, just create an empty game object for your pool and add the spawn pool to it. Aim at pool object spawns, whatever you want to name it. Then take whichever prefab you want to spawn. In our case, it is this. Oops. That's templates. We want to use this AI agent, so we'll drag it onto there. No preload. So now our pool is all set up. Now in Playmaker, we need to change this create object to this PMT spawn. So we can just change that to that. Object to spawn. Parameters stay the same. Only difference here is we're going to need to do a couple of extra things. I create an extra error event. So we're going to add a transition for error. And then here we're just going to log sorry, failed spawning object from pool, and we're going to make us stuck at this state. One thing here, if we leave it the way it is, our Unity will so one thing that we need to do is here in the object spawner also set your object that you want to spawn. So if we leave it the way it is here, Unity will crash because it will go spawn, create success event without hitting this, and it will forever spawn until it essentially crashes out, or it actually has a maximum loop count, but it will take a while to hit it with spawning objects. So what we want to do here is, instead of finish, going back to our start state, we want to add a new state. And then this we want to just want to copy the set bool, paste it here, paste it here. Then we add the finish state, and now we go back here. So now when we go into spawn, we'll check that spawn is false. We'll go into here. We'll set our pool name to our pool that we had here. We'll try to spawn our object to spawn from the pool. We'll hit the success event. We'll spawn the object. And now we should circle back. So let's try this out. Hit save. Hit play. Cool. So we got two objects instead. And we got two objects because we forgot to delete this action. And furthermore, we no longer need this. So there we go. And then similarly, I had every frame enabled so I can just spawn more stuff. Spawns pretty quick. And they'll wander kind of nicely. So that's pretty much it for spawning objects out of the pool. So one thing, if you create an object and you just don't add it to the pool, you can create log messages here, and you see that when we play, our object will actually be added to the pool, and then it starts spamming me because I have it enabled in the pathfinding. So now we saw that in the beginning when we tried to add the object the first time, it preloaded it. So now if we just add this object into the pool, don't preload any, hit start, you'll see that it didn't preload any. Oh, it still did. Well, whatever. Either way, oh yeah, the first time it spawns it has to preload anyway, but that's just a good way to see that we are actually spawning with the state machine from the pool. So that's really it for object pooling as